It is over. Bitcoin is done.
It's over. We are screwed.
Enough with the nonsense. Glasses off and into the charts. Guys, we've seen a massive dump to the downside. Please, I want everyone to relax, zoom out, and take a deep breath. I know we're seeing $53,000. Guys, let it happen, relax, and analyze. Well, let's get into the analysis for today. We are still looking at a bearish and then very bullish structure in an A B up, and a C down. Now, if we zoom in to this C, we can see we have a 5-wave move. You can see by the green. 5-wave move being 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 to the downside. Now, this wave 4 finished over this past week, and we are now seeing this flush again in a wave 5. Now, we can analyze this further on the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, we have a 5-wave move completed. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 3, we had multiple 1-2 setups, which was very annoying to count, but overall ended up well. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. So everything is playing out okay for now, and we are seeing lower and lower prices. Now, the target for this wave, the larger wave C, is sitting at 54,900 to 44,100. Now, we've hit into this box, and now people must be saying, is wave 5 finished? I saw a comment saying wave 5 could be finished, but if we go to the 15-minute time frame, we are not seeing any impulsive moves yet to the upside, which we should be seeing by now. This move here cannot be counted as a 1, as it is a 3-wave move. ABC. Now, it could be ABC, ABC, ABC. I doubt it at the moment. We should be seeing quite a large retracement to the upside, and it is just not yet occurring. So, this wave 5 could definitely still extend. Now, there are multiple ways to measure where this wave 5 could end up. If we take a Fibonacci from the top of wave 2 to the bottom of wave 3 and back to the top of wave 4, the target range is there is 0.618 to the 1 zone. We are in the zone, but there is still a bit of space to come to the downside. Now, on a more bullish scenario, in a 4-hour time frame, we can see that wave Y is still coming down. This is not the directly bullish scenario. This at the moment is a bullish scenario in the shorter time frame. Now, we could be seeing something called an expanded flat. Now, an expanded flat is when we have an A wave up, a B wave that takes the low of an A wave, and then a C wave taking the high of the A wave. This would put this at A, this at B, and this at C. Now, that could be occurring over here. We have this large A wave down, then a B wave still to follow in an expanding flat, an A, B targeting out this red box, and a C to the upside. Now, this would also be quite a devastating move, as it would take the all-time highs. People would think we are all very, very bullish due to the impulsive nature of the wave C, but we would end up just crashing back down even into some lower price action. So that would be quite devastating, but at the moment it is not the main scenario, but still could play out. We need to analyze all different types of scenarios. The other one that I analyzed yesterday, or decided to put in the video yesterday, was this move. Now, this is called a diagonal in the C wave. Now, every move in here is an ABC structure, but at the moment we have seen quite a retracement down here, and for this to be an A, singular A, is quite a long A. So this is a low probability scenario, and this is still the higher probability. Remember, this wave 5 could extend even lower and lower than the third wave, more than the third wave, as the third wave just needs to be not the shortest wave in Elliott Wave Theory. Now, some targets at the moment for this move down. So these are going to be some trade possibilities for you guys for where you can start piling up some longs. Now, on the weekly time frame, we saw this fair value gap. You can see this gray box made. Now, this fair value gap, I believe, is going to be filled. The bottom of the fair value gap is sitting around $53,100. So $53,100 is quite a good long opportunity, possible for a slight retracement, maybe in that A, B, C, or the larger turnaround at the $53,000. Often things turn around quicker than people expect, and people think, okay, one more low before I can enter along, and it does not happen. So things do often turn around quicker than people expect, but let's keep analyzing and see. Another way to analyze this is this weekly channel that I've drawn up here. This possibly acted as support here, middle line resistance, crash through to the bottom of the range, support on the middle line to the top, support on the middle line to the top, order block on the top, and breaking out, finding support, breaking out, and crashing back in. Now, the support here that I would see most important is the two intersections of these two purple lines. Now, this would be the middle line of this range at $50,410. Next week, it would increase to 51,500, around there, $51,500. Now, this is quite a good range, but it is quite far from our $53,000 level. Now, you need to be very careful with long positions here. Obviously, wave 3s and 5s can extend lower, making it very difficult to find your long position. At the moment, I would wait maybe until this middle line is hit and until we are maybe looking at the 1.236 at $50,000. There also is an order block here on the daily time frame. I think it looks better on the weekly, but there's an order block here at around the top being 53,200 and the bottom being 50,500. Longs from that position are relatively good longs. Don't use high leverage or you could get liquidated if lower prices follow. So after this massive correction down, we should be seeing quite a large impulse to the upside, and that will lead us to new all-time highs. But that's all for today's update, guys. We are seeing very low prices now compared to what we are used to for the past while. Just relax, analyze the chart. The market will get fearful. Crypto Twitter will go crazy. Let them go crazy. Keep a cool head and stay calm. If you want more trades and updates, follow the Discord in the description. But otherwise, that is all for MaxTradesCrypto today. Cheers.